Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's another haul video, but it's actually kind of like a try on haul. I went to Burlington Coat Factory, and y'all, when I say it's been a minute, it's giving fall theme. Like the color scheme itself is giving fall theme. So I went to Burlington Coat Factory today, and I just have to say they're slowly adding on fall stuff. Like the decor is there. It's the clothes that's really slowly gathering its way. So if you guys are interested in what I picked up at Burlington Coat Factory, make sure you hit the like button and also subscribe, hit the notification bell. Let's get into it. So I'm a size 3X if you do not know. I'm a size 3X in tops and 28 in pants, size 9 in shoes. I try to say that in my videos so you guys can get an idea. If you are in that size area category, then I can relate to you. But if you're a size down, you can still get, you know, ideas, etc. from myself. So yeah, that's why I added that in the video. I am filming on my old camera because when I was on my cruise to the Bahamas, you can tell I'm a little darker than the last video. I slipped and fell near the waterworks, and my camera, kind of the lens, it went. I'm just still frustrated about that. But I fell, and then my camera lens stopped, you know, camera from the Purple Room days right now. So bear with me, bear with me, bear with me on the quality. But anyways, you guys, without any further ado, I'm glad I do have backup so I can continue to film until the Canon one, because this is a Samsung I am recording on, but with the Canon one, I'm just waiting for it to do what it do. But the first top I got, I was so inspired by pumpkins. And like when I went to Burlington, it was like everything, pumpkins, everything was just there. So I was saying, let me shop for fall clothing. So this top right here is so cute. Like, look at my waistline, it's giving snatched. Okay, this is a perfect top for transitioning from summer into fall, because you may look at the material and think, ooh, that material is thick, it's a fall material, but I'm gonna give you guys a closer look. This material of this shirt is so soft. I can wear this to bed, but I'm not. This material is so soft, I can wear this even in the summertime, but I won't do that to myself because it is fall. And then the detailing, the detailing reminds me of the shirt that I got at Rainbow a while back with the little detailing on the side. I love that image. I just love that detail, like the little crochet into it, and then it has like a little bow tie on the ends of the shoulders. And even in the back, it's pretty long. I love to show my back side because sometimes my clothes do stop here, and I do have on Sierra Sky pants, by the way. But with the back here, it just covers up this part because you see how like it just cuts, but it just covers it, and I don't have any issues with it. So that is a great thing. And not only that, you guys, it's showing a little bit of skin. So that's even better. I get to have skin action. I get to feel fallish a little bit. You guys, this top is really cute. And I think I have the price still on it, the price tag. So I think since I can wear it, it's safe to take it off. I'm gonna be just a little bit. Oh, it's connected to my, oh wow. It's connected to my, oh, there it goes. So I paid $9.99, $10 for this. So that's price tag. So I just paid. And I also have the tag on my, I'm gonna pull it so I'm gonna stretch it. Oh, and this is a brand by Ava James. This is an Ava James t-shirt, by the way. So here's the front, the side, the back. Okay, y'all, so I was really hoping that I can wear this shirt I was really wanting more white t-shirts in my wardrobe because I have a lot of darker neutral colors, but I was like, I really don't have a lot of white t-shirts. This t-shirt is very, very thin. I can say it's a little thin, and it is see-through because apparently the bra that I'm wearing, I would not wear with it if I decided to go out somewhere with this top. The top is very comfortable though, in a way as well. So it's giving thin, see-through. Cause look at the bra. Like, just look at the bra, okay? See-through, thin, but it does have a lot of room. That's even better. I do like a shirt that has a lot of room, especially in the boob area, because sis is big up in the boobs. I have 48 triple D boobs, and I'm huge in the boob area, so I gotta have like a lot of room. And I mean, the shirt is cute itself. I do love the shirt. It's cute, but the fact that it's kind of thin, you gotta be very careful. This shirt can definitely be versatile. White can be versatile in so many different ways, y'all. Like, I love dressing up white, dressing down white, even in black and then dressing down black, even or so. But yeah, I do love the sleeves. Now the sleeves is like a plain sleeve. It's plain sleeve material, which is okay. I love plain because, like I said, you can dress this up, you can dress it down. This is like a casual t-shirt. So if anybody say let's wear all white but casual, I would come out with this top. Like, I would step out of my home with this top. Okay. So in this shirt I paid $4, like legit $4 for this shirt, but it's at for $4. This is a cute little top. I love it. Even in the back is giving support because it's supporting in the back, but I can say you just got to be a little bit careful because of the material towards the bottom wise, like right here. You got to be a little bit more careful, but it's stretch proof, like stretch approved. Even though it's, like I said, see-through, even though it's stretchable, that's all that matters. Minus the see-through, that don't matter. I have to have a black bra with this on, or a cardigan, like a cardigan to cover it up. Like, can you just see yourself like going on a day stroll and you just see yourself in this top? Like, this top is really, really cute. So here's the front. My left side, the back, and right side. And let me see what company this is from. This is by Cute and Crop Baby Tea. Cute and Crop Baby Tea. That's what it says right there on the tag. Okay, y'all, so this is the last final top for this video. When I say this top is giving going to church, it's giving formal event. If you're not really a dress up person, like if you want to go all elegant, all out, it's giving that. Okay, it's giving, you know, everything. So what I like about the shirt is a dark green, and the dark green sometimes I really don't like to put on myself. But with this typical dark green t-shirt, I'm like, yes, like, give me all the forest and the grass and everything in one, period. With this top here, it is so stretchy for it to be look how much room I have in this top for this top to be a 3X. And I am wearing this type of a top with regular pants. Okay, you can wear a black skirt with this, you can wear leggings, you can put on boots with this, you can even go to the club. This shirt is that versatile. So I love the details because in the detailing of the shirt, you guys, look at the rhinestones in the shirt. Like, this shirt legit has rhinestones, which is super cute. This shirt has legit rhinestones. That's what makes it top notch when it comes down to the detailing of this top. And not only the detailing of the top, look at the sleeve area. It is very, very detailed, elegant wise. And on top of that, it's giving angel wings on a cute top. Like, this is how I'm describing this top right now. And just look how much room you have. It's very flowy. The wings are very, very flowy. It's very, very dramatic for this t-shirt. I can say it's a little bit dramatic for this top. So, but I feel very nice and snatched in the waistline. But I just love how this top is giving everything in one top. Sometimes you don't have tops like that. You don't have tops that's giving every event you can think of. Pull it off, wear your heels with it, you can wear your flats with it, you can wear your boots with it and still pull this top. Oh, don't wear no fur boots because it's going to take away the rhinestones, but wear your elegant, like your classy clothing that comes about. Don't be going up in there with no boots with the fur. Boots with the fur, with the fur. The whole club was looking her, hey. She hit the floor. Next thing you know, shawty got low, 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 hey. Okay, don't come up in there with this top and the boots with the fur. Those type of boots with fur. But I love the fact that, as you guys noticed, I did change my necklace. I didn't need to wear that necklace with this type of material. Or if you decide I want to add a little bit more glam to this top, you can add like a nice rhinestone necklace and it will still be okay. But the necklace I previously had in this video, I wouldn't add that. Okay, but you guys, this top is super cute. I love it. So this is the front, the back, on the right side, and in the front. Now I want to show you guys what I also brought from Burlington that's not too beauty related, but I just want to add it in the video. So I brought these set of nails. I'm going through this little press on stage now, you guys. Going to the salons, I'm tired of spending so much money and my nails popping off. I have to go back and fix it. Only time I would definitely go to the salon if I'm going to get my feet done, but if I do get back in the groove of getting my nails done, it'll be a while before that. So I'm digging with the press-ons. Let me know what kind of press-ons do you wear. And let me get the other pair. I paid $3.99 for these nails at Burlington. So it looks like this. Look close up. And it's by the brand Pretty Woman Fox Nails. So yeah, the ASMR moment. Yeah. The next thing I picked up that's non-beauty related, of course. So the next non-beauty related item I picked up one of these exfoliating foot masks. I love Nivea. I love their lotions. I love their body wash. Let me know what other haul brands do you want me to do for my channel. If you guys know any other great clothing lines, let's have a discussion down below. And I gotta go, and thank you guys for tuning in. I am posting cruise vlogs on my second channel, so make sure you go check out the travel vlogs as well. And I gotta go, and I'll chat with you soon. Bye.